Hi, my name is Viktor Kozlov and you've landed on the channel The Investor's Edge, where we discuss the investment ideas which transform lives. And today I want to speak with you about the market or Mr. Market. Imagine you have a machine in your house when you can put in $1 and over time you can take away 2, 5 or even 10 bucks without you doing any extra work. Sounds like a scam, right? But that is exactly how market works when you know how to use it. Most people stay away from investing because for them it is a giant, scary casino. But today we are going to strip away the confusion and I am going to show you what the market actually is and why it is the most powerful tool you have to build for the better future for yourself. So stay with me. What is the market anyway? Forget about the blinking red and green numbers which you usually see on the news. In its heart, the market is just a digital supermarket. But instead of buying milk or eggs, people are selling and buying pieces of real business. What is a stock? When you buy a stock, you are not just buying a ticker symbol. You are buying a teeny slice of a real business, like Apple, Amazon or Coca-Cola. From now on, you are co-owner. Why? Actually, companies do this. Companies need money to grow, to build new factories, to hire more staff. But instead of going to the bank and asking for a loan, they're going to the public and ask you if you want to own a piece of their business and share in their success. How does it work? Supply and demand. You may wonder why prices of the companies are going up and down every single day. It is the most simple rule, supply and demand, the hype. If everyone thinks the company is going to be the next big thing, everyone to buy the stock of that company. If more people want to buy than to sell, the price of that company is going up. The fear. If there is bad news, people get nervous and want to sell. If more people want to sell than to buy, the price of the company is going down. But here, the rule you need to know, or the secret I want to share with you. In the short term, the market is emotional. It is driven by news and people's mood. But in the long term, the market is driven by the success of the companies. If the company you own grows or make money, the piece of the company becomes more valuable over time. How do you make money? Like owner of the company, you have two main possibilities. First of them, price growth. Imagine you've bought a piece of the company for 10 bucks. 5 years later, because the company grew, it gets more valuable. So the same piece of the company now costs 50 bucks. You sell it and keep the difference. And now, my best part, dividends. Some companies are so successful that they send a paycheck, like a thank you for being an owner. It is a pure passive income. The first step. You don't need to be a math genius or a millionaire to start. In fact, a mistake 90% of the people make is waiting. You can start with as little as 10 bucks or 20 investing in something called an ETF, or basically a basket of hundreds of stocks all in one. If you want me to help you to set up an investment account, type READY in the comments below. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe to the channel so we can build your financial future together. Stay on the safe side, invest wisely and see you in the next video.